world's most expensive food.
Look at the readout on panel 4.
Levels are nominal. Proceed with the sequence. The moment the belly is opened, a massive sack of thousands of black eggs spills out into a stainless steel bowl.
Gently scooping the remaining eggs out by hand to ensure not a single pearl is left behind. The texture is soft and delicate.
Pouring ice-cold purified water over the black eggs to wash away impurities. Swirling them.
Spreading the wet black eggs onto a paper-lined tray to remove excess water. The eggs look matte black before oiling.
Sprinkling fine white sea salt over the black eggs like snow. This is the most crucial step, the contrast of white salt on black eggs.
Filling large, traditional blue metal tins with the fresh caviar. Pressing the lid down to squeeze out all air.
Opening a large mother tin, the caviar has matured, scooping it into small, expensive glass jars or gold tins.
Pouring bubbly champagne into a flute glass next to the caviar tin. The bubbles rising match the round shape of the eggs.